In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your prop firm account like FTMO to MetaTrader5. This will let you start trading using the credentials provided by your funded account. Let's get started. First, go to the MetaTrader5 application on your device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, click the three lines at the top left corner to open the main menu. Then select Manage Accounts and tap the plus button at the top right corner to add a new account. After that, in the search bar, type FTMO and choose FTMO SRO from the list of servers. Finally, log in using the login ID and password given by your prop firm, then tap Login to connect your account. Bonus tip: if you're using another prop firm besides FTMO, just replace the server name in the search step with the one provided by your firm. Most of them follow the same process. And that's how to connect a prop firm account to MetaTrader5. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials like this. See you next time!